Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Shit. Alex, I've been traveling for like 15 hours. Awake for like 20. Where the fuck are you? There's no one here. God, I'm so fucking tired. Please give me a call back, okay? Okay. Okay.
Hey, so, downtown?
Oh, yeah. I got, any places to stay or,
Yeah, there's a bunch of motels.
like, what about something to eat? Like, I'm not thinking anything expensive, but like,
Yeah, like Carl's Jr., In-N-Out. I mean, I could take you to a gas station.
yeah, a gas station, yeah.
Okay, yeah, I got you.
Okay.
Hey, I hope you don't mind my saying so, but it's pretty obvious you're not from around here.
No, Iceland, yeah.
Bjork. Yeah, that's right. Man, I've always wanted to go there.
Yeah, well, that's what everyone says, yeah.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's true. I mean, she's great, right?
Yeah.
All right, man.
Hæ mamma. Ég ætla að fara að ringja í þinn. Ég veist einu með hnöttum þú ert. Einu á Íslandi. Ég lendir. Já, Alex biður að hilsa. Ég fór að pæla á hverju það alltaf sendi SMS um mig þegar þú ert lendur. Það ringir mig úr lendur, þú veist hvað alltaf sé að fara að gerast. Heldur að sé að vera þessi one in a million sem bara... Alex skilja kveðju. Hlakka til að sjá okkur. Þetta eru skilaboðin mín, ég lendur. Heill á húfi. Það er ekki það sem hún vildi vita.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
I didn't want to tell you this before I saw you. But seems like that's gonna be harder than I thought. Ever since the pandemic hit. Since I left LA. I left you. Everything's changed. And I was hoping my coming here would help me in some way. But I can't find you. I've been dying to talk to you about everything. A lot of people have been on my own, mostly. So, forming words in my head has been just substantially hard. The emotions, it's gone. They're just words. Jill, I heard there were some unsaid things between us. I really need to see you. I'm going to sleep now. Please get back to me. Everything in the air. Every time we slept, every time we walked, all those memories don't exist anymore. I didn't know what my coming here would do or what I hoped to achieve because nothing's the same. Not anymore. But now I know. You know what I did.